Looking to create a brochure but don't know where to start? No need to worry. Today, we will go over how to create your own brochure using Canva. Although there are other software programs available to create brochures on, I prefer Canva due to its simple layout, ease of use, and best of all, it's free. To start, open your preferred search browser and type Canva. Once the results appear, click Free Templates. You will then see many categories of templates. On the top row, scroll until you see the brochure templates icon, then click on it. This will filter out everything else we don't want to see. We can narrow the results even further by clicking on the All Filters button and choosing your preferences. For this video, I will choose this template, which does not have the crown, as it is free. The templates with the crown icon indicate that a Canva Pro membership is needed to access. You can even apply a filter to find the free templates by clicking the Price button, then click Free. This will give you all of the available templates that are free to use. After selecting your template, it will prompt you to log in or sign off, which I will do off camera. Now that we have logged in, we can begin to edit the template. The sliding bar below can enlarge or minimize the design to make it easier to see. To edit specific parts, simply hover over what you want to change and click to select it. As you can see, upon selecting the item, Canva gives you many options, such as the ability to change the font, text size, color, alignment, spacing, and more. If you are unhappy with the color of the background, that can be changed too by clicking the area, selecting the color circle, and choosing a new color. We can also insert our own images. To replace an image, simply select it and click the trash icon. To import your picture, select File on the top left corner. From there, click Upload Files. Choose the image you want to import and drag it to the desired location. Adjust if needed. Now, I would like to go some of the other features that you can find on the bar to the left. Elements can help you add life to your brochure. There are tons of shapes, stickers, images, and even videos to choose from. The Tools feature allows you to scribble, add lines, shapes, and add sticky notes and charts. Finally, under Apps, you can find many great features, like adding mockups or even generating a QR code. I will do a quick demonstration to show how the QR code generator works. Click on the QR code located underneath the Popular section. First, you will need to copy the URL for the site you want the QR code to take the readers to. For example, I will use youtube.com. Once you copy the URL, paste it into the bar. Beneath the bar, we are given additional options. Instead of having a traditional black and white QR code, we can change colors. I chose to have a beige background to make the code stand out and kept the foreground color as black. Once you've made your selections, hit Generate Code. The QR code will then pop up on the template. Relocate and resize the code to your liking. Finally, when you are done and ready to save your brochure, select the File button. Then click Download. From there, it will give you multiple forms of downloading your file. Simply choose the best option for you and hit Download. You have now successfully created your own brochure for free using Canva. I hope this video has been useful, and thank you for watching.